Hello, my name is Narrator, and I'm here to tell you the story of Carl, the chicken farmer. Now, let's see what he's doing.
Carl was a chicken farmer.
All of a sudden, Carl realized he was missing a chicken. Not only was one missing, but he didn't know where it was.
Whoever took my chicken's gonna pay. I'm gonna get him.
In a fit of rage, Carl got so angry he kicked one of his chickens, sending it flailing across the air.
The babes followed Carl into the woods.
Carl and the hippies were not alone. So they decided to set off and look for Carl.
Meanwhile, the chickens were going crazy.
Drive me crazy, I just can't sleep. I'm so excited, I need to be crazy, but it feels alright. Living thinking of you keeps me up all night. Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And who can say if you
That's how Carl met the love of his life.
Where's my chicken?
The love-struck hippies tackled Carl. Now he's dead.
They say we're young and we don't know. We won't find out till we grow. Well, I don't know if all that's true, 'cause you got me, baby, I got you. Hey, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. They say our love won't pay the rent, for it's earned, our money's all been spent. I guess that's so we don't have a plot, but at least I'm sure of all the things we got. Babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got flowers in the spring.